Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you, by the way, for 700 subscribers, so we're finally getting somewhere. Today I'm going to be putting on these puddle lights. So some people think they're tacky, some people think they look cool. I think they look cool, so they're going on the car. I'm going to take out the lane boring basic halogen bulbs and we're going to throw in these. These are going to be like the Audi ring emblem, and they'll shine off the doors onto the ground whenever you open them. Let's do it. I think it's going to turn out sick. Go ahead and open up the box, see what we're working with here. All right. Oh, looks like they got the directions on there, right and left. Seems easy enough. So you should just be able to pry out this whole thing right here. Replace this, plug in your factory bulbs and stuff, and should be good. I'm going to go ahead and sit down here with all the bugs and get this out of the door. All right. Comes out pretty easy. Factory one out. Time to put this one in. That's it. Let's go hit all the rest of the doors real quick, and then later I will show you what it looks like in the dark. Okay, so everything is now in the car, so I will wait until it gets a little darker out and I'll show you how it looks, because right now during the day can't really see anything. So let's wait until it gets a little darker. We'll come out here and see how they look. All right, guys, it's finally dark out, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let me just go ahead and swang it open. Sheesh. I like it. I think it's tough. I did it on the back as well, obviously, so back doors, bang. I love it. For as cheap as they were, pretty slick. We'll have some more mods coming soon, but in the meantime, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.